Today I would like to introduce you to our telematics platform IntelliOPS. And this is really a tool to help you in your day-to-day operations. And I'm sure you also heard that motto before. So if you cannot measure it, you cannot improve. So our platform IntelliOPS offers you exactly this. So first to measure, and then as a second step to improve. And if we now look at the screen to my right, we see actually the map-based view of the system. And you see here also already the Swingo with this button here and our demo driver Daniel driving around. And if you click on that vehicle, you can actually see some key parts of the information. You see, for example, what's the remaining fuel range of the tank. This is, of course, the same for an electric vehicle. You see the remaining range of the battery. You see the average consumption of fuel of that vehicle per hour. And you see also if the machine is driving, on what speed the machine is driving. On the top, you see many different tabs. So in general, the IntelliOPS platform has many different functionalities. But today I would really only focus on two of them to bring that to our viewers. So the first one is the live monitoring of the machine fleet which you have. And the second one is the evaluation of your historical operations data. And the live tab is the live monitoring here on top. If you click on the history and actions journeys, this is then really the operational data of your machines in the past. Just to conclude, on the left, you also have some functionalities, which is mainly filtering functionalities. And also, you can adjust the map-based view of the system. You can choose between different kinds of maps, for example, whatever you prefer as a visualization here. Then on the right-hand side again, we have still some key data, a summary of the core data. We have the amount of vehicles which are currently active. And we also have the amount of time which the vehicles have been active today. And on the bottom, you can see the total mileage of all your active machines during the live view, which is actually the day. Good. As I said, I think first of all, we would like to focus on the live monitoring of the machine. So we have, of course, a lot of machines going around here, and you see already our Swingo has been driving around quite a lot today. And you can, for example, the different colors indicate different activities. So you see here, for example, the blue lines, they are indicated as when the customer has been, the demo driver has been driving the machine. And the green ones here is actually when the demo driver has been sweeping these roads here. And you see actually he has been quite around the block, I would say, so it's probably very clean if we go behind our station here. This is, of course, I mean, that's very helpful if you would like to really easily distinguish between different activities. And as I said, you can do that based on this color coding of the different activities. This can also be done, of course, for our other equipment, so not only for the Swingo, which we have here in Lahr, equipped with IntelliOPS, but you can also do it with airport machinery, and you can also do it for the winter maintenance, of course. As I said, you can see the vehicle location. In this case, it's parked here. You see, for example, if your driver is on track, if he's going on the right routes. You can see also, as I said, the activities which are being performed, being it sweeping, salting, spraying, unloading or loading the hopper. And you can also see a lot more data than this.